What is this called?
chicken, hen, मुर्गा.
Rooster.
Rooster.
What is this called?
This is hen. Chicken, hen.
Hen.
सही है.
What is this called?
इसको क्या कहते हैं? नहीं मालूम.
Turkey.
Turkey.
What is this called?
This is duck. Hans.
Swan.
Swan.
What is this called?
This is duck. पक्का. Duck.
Duck.
सही है.
What is this called?
ये भी तो duck लग रहा है. Hans.
Goose.
Goose.
What is this called?
सारे एक जैसे लग रहा है. इसका नहीं पता.
Seagull.
Seagull.
What is this called?
Crane. Eaglet.
Stork.
Stork.
What is this called?
ये सारे मछली खाते हैं. इसका भी नाम नहीं मालूम.
Pelican.
Pelican.
What is this called?
Cuckoo. Woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
सही.